everyone. Joe Vitale, American Retirement Advisors. Just up with a weekly market update. Stocks, the Iranian-China situation de-escalation led to an escalation in market sentiment. U.S. markets notched toward record highs as the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed above 29,000 for the first time on Friday. Risk assets have come back in favor with the latest de-escalation between Washington and Tehran and the Phase 1 trade deal scheduled for Wednesday with China. So that helped sentiment. S&P rose 0.98, Russell 0.67, the NASDAQ is 1.76 up. Now overseas developed markets, the EFA declined 0.08 and emerging markets gained 0.88. Let's talk about fixed income. Interest rates rose slightly and values fell slightly with the benchmark 10-year Treasury climbing to 1.83%, up 3 basis points. The 30-year fixed mortgage remained at 3.91, which is just below the 4% mark, which has been a driver for home purchase. Let's look at commodities. U.S. oil rigs declined another 11 last week to 659, with the total rig count down 25% year over year. Now, lower prices per barrel combined with increased productivity per rig has driven down the number of drilling rigs from their peak of 1,609 over the past 5 years, and crude oil's closed 58.99, down 3.5% year to date. With economic news, last month's payrolls were below forecast as average hourly earnings rose 2.9% year over year, the weakest reading in the last 18 months. Now, after some seasonal quirks, initial jobless claims are back to where they were, falling to 214,000, which is again the fourth straight weekly decline and the lowest number since end of November. The 4-week moving average showed a positive trend, falling by 9,500 to 224,000, the lowest in a month. The broader story is that since spring of 2018, initial jobless claims have been moving sideways, a sign that overall filings remain low while average wages keep going up. Talk about company news. AeroVironment, G33 Holding, which is a military drone maker, along with Lockheed Martin, a G50, and Core Select Holding, both rose in unison with defense stocks after drone strike against the Iranian general in Iraq, and Iran fired ballistic missiles at bases of U.S. and the coalition forces in retaliation. Salesforce, which is a G33 and Core Select Holding, rose 8.4%, following numerous Wall Street upgrades and several software companies to start the year. And as always, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 855-756-5700 or go online to aradvisorsinc.com, and hope everything is going well for everyone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.